Okay, so if you're looking at these units from the front, I'm on the left unit. I was in the other unit, the one on the right, and it was cold, and that's where I was at for this showing. So I turned the heat on, but I thought I heard a noise over on this unit. So I came over here and noticed that the heat, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like blowing, it's blowing so hard that my hair's moving. The heat in this unit was going strong. So I don't know if you can hear that, but this furnace is clearly running. But nothing's happening to the thermostat. If I turn it off, this furnace still goes. It doesn't kick off. Also, if I turn this one on, it doesn't do anything either. And I don't know anything about HVAC, so I don't actually know what is going on, but I'm wondering if this thermostat doesn't function or if the other thermostat controls this one. I don't know, because you hear this one going. It's still going. I've been sitting here talking to you for, I don't know, half a minute. This thermostat is clearly off, not on, and the vents are still pumping air out. This vent is still pumping hot air out. I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna go back over to the other unit and shut it off and see if that turns this furnace off. Also, this paint is already chipping, so it's a problem. Obviously, can't have. So if I turn this unit off, there's no light here, that's a problem. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I think, can we just have it double checked? Because the last thing I want, yeah, this furnace just kicked off. There's something, this is the thing. I don't know if there's anything wrong, but if there is, I want to figure it out now before we have to, work with two tenants to figure out a heat issue or an AC issue in the summer, because one wants it warmer than the other. I don't even know what. Plus, this is gonna affect people's bills, so I wanna make sure we have this organized. Because I don't know. It just seems wrong to me. I'm gonna turn the heat back on both units, drop it back down, and get out of here.